National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has extended the flood warning for Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, Mason County in western West Virginia, Wood County in northwestern West Virginia, northwestern Roane County in central West Virginia, Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, Wood County in northwestern West Virginia, until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. At 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated rain continues across the warned area. 1 to 1.5 inches of rain has already fallen, and an additional half of an inch is still possible overnight. Flooding is ongoing, with numerous roads closed. Some locations that will experience flooding include Parkersburg, Valpre, Point Pleasant, Gallipolis, Ripley, Pomeroy, Rio Grande, Elizabeth, Racine, Rutland, Fort Run State Park, Vienna, Ravenswood, Williamstown, New Haven, Mason, Sandyville, Mineral Wells, Washington, and Tupper's Plains. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report flooding by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.
My May, I wish I didn't leave.